everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on House of Zwide from the 10th to the 14th of January 2022 on Monday. Molefe pursues Dorothy when Nomsa laments the lack of eligible men. Honors as them help with Soga turns into benefit. Nkosi struggle with the dark and terrifying memories on Tuesday. Nkosi tried his best to escape his nightmares, but no one can run forever. Nkosi has an interview for job that will take him out of Joburg for good. The new Molefe proves attractive to women and potential trouble on Wednesday. Funani wants answers from Nkosi, who admits to still having nightmares. Meanwhile, Faith is discomforted by the thought of Nkosi going to the therapy. Soka may get a job in Durban and he is conflicted, and so is Honor on Thursday. Isaac refuses to help Faith as she panics over Nkosi seeing a therapist. An emotional Honor failed to tell Soka what he wants to hear. Dorothy's surprise visit to Molefe ends in a kiss on Friday. Nkosi digs into memories of the past. The recent changes means Honor is about to lose a friend. Molefe steers toward trouble again, this time with the two women. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.